I'm so excited to share that this piece has actually made it into my handbag collection, and it is. Hi everyone, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are new around here. First of all, of course, I want to start off this video by wishing you all a very happy holidays. Whatever it is that you celebrate, I hope you are having a wonderful time. I hope you're spending time with your loved ones, doing what you enjoy the most. I feel like that is key during this holiday season. So with that being said, I wanted to get on here and film the last video of 2025, and it is such an exciting video. I did have a few things that I picked up from Hermes that I wanted to share with you guys. I actually picked it up earlier this month, and Santa came through unexpectedly, very surprised, but he did such an amazing job. Of course, by Santa, I mean my husband. So let's get right into it. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. There's a story time, as there always is, but I'm going to share with you what it is that you want to see, because I am so excited to share that this piece has actually made it into my handbag collection, and it is, dun dun dun. Oh my God, isn't she a stunner? So we have here a Picotin 18 in the color Rouge H, the color of the season. I feel like this is a classic color for Hermes. Honestly, I remember starting buying things from Hermes and kind of just running into this color, and I was like, that is such a beautiful shade of red. I personally love red. I feel like it goes really good with my skin tone in particular, but as you guys know, I am very much into neutrals. However, 2025 was kind of like the year of experimenting with color, at least in my outfits, and I felt like we should end the year with a bang, with a special piece. I am over the moon. I still can't believe that one, my essay was able to pull this off, and two, that my husband surprised me the way he did. He did such an amazing job. But yes, this is the newest and the last edition of 2025. Her name is Ruby, by the way, which I feel it's so appropriate because my husband's name is Rudy, and then the fact that he got her for me and the color just goes hand in hand. So let me know what you guys think. I am obsessed. Literally, like, I switched into it as soon as I got her. Changed all my things, put my organizer from my other Picotin, and just put my things inside. She was perfect. I actually took her to my parents' house that we spent Christmas Day over there. I just can't get enough. The color is everything. I'm gonna share the story time because I feel like this video is gonna be all over the place. But I originally wanted it more in the palladium hardware, and I will share two other things that I did pick up, as I mentioned. But I thought I wanted her in the palladium hardware, but you guys, the gold just pops so nicely. The grain in Clement's leather honestly is like no other. It's a lot more pronounced, and the grain is larger than Togo leather, but I just feel like it is so beautiful. It picks up this color so well. It's like the perfect rich red. However, you don't have like that blue undertone popping through. You can definitely see the difference between my nail color and then the color of the handbag here. So I just think that this Rouge H color is so great year round, and I really like how it pops with the gold hardware. I think that definitely dresses it up when it needs to, but at the same time, the Picotin for me is such a casual handbag that I feel is a great piece, especially in the 18 size, to incorporate both during day and night. With that being said, as you guys know, I did switch my Picotin. I had the tube, and I switched that one with my sister-in-law when I got offered my Kelly 25 in a tube. And we kind of did a switch because she also wanted her Kelly to be black. So she got the mini Kelly in black and was missing an A2 piece. So that worked out for us. However, even though I've enjoyed having a black bag in my collection of this size, I do really feel like the Picotin deserves a color. I think that the style of the bag is so unique that in black, for me personally, it just hasn't been that like, oh my God, I'm so excited to wear this bag sort of thing. So I'm still going back and forth with my sister-in-law if she's gonna take back the black, if she's gonna give me the tube, but most likely Either the black or the taupe are going to be sold. Just wanted to put that out there. If you're interested, let me know and you can get first dibs. You can either DM me or shoot me an email. I have my email in the description box, and then we can just go ahead and plan things as the color is finalized and so on. So yes, this is what Santa came by and delivered on Christmas Day. And of course, you guys are going to be seeing a ton of outfits with me styling her and adding along these other pieces which I wanted to share. Now, these are all going to be kind of like reveals, you guys. Let me know if you really like that like whole unboxing kind of style in videos. I do enjoy it from time to time, but honestly, like I've gotten to the point where like I get the pieces and I really just want to open them and enjoy them right from the start, or see them, or just like put them already to wear, where before I used to wait to do like an unboxing. And again, I just feel like these pieces are meant to be enjoyed as soon as you get them. So that's why I'm doing kind of this reveal style instead. With that being said, this has already been used as well, and it comes in here. It is, I think I did a short in regards to this, so you guys are not going to be surprised, but I actually picked up the Kelly belt in Rouge H with palladium hardware. So I should have probably showed the other piece first because that's what led to this, but we'll get to that. I went into the boutique because I wanted a specific piece that was online and they didn't have my size. So I went into the boutique so my SA could hopefully source it and order it for me. And while I was there, I was talking to her about the Rouge H color. We touched the topic of the Picotin because I had already sent her a message, I think earlier on in December, and I was like, hey, just in case Santa can come through, you know, I would love to be able to add this piece. She's like, I haven't seen it come through the boutique yet, but I'll keep an eye out. And when I went into the boutique that day, I think it wasn't this past weekend, it was the one before, we kind of touched on the topic of the Picotin again, and she's like, I'll keep an eye out, but I can't make any promises. What hardware? So we were kind of like going back and forth in regards to that. And she's like, but I do have something that I think you're going to love. And she's like, it's not a bag. I was like, okay, you should have started off with that. And she went to the back and brought this out, and oh my god, it was so good. I shared with you guys on Instagram, and here a ton of you actually told me that you took a screenshot and sent it over to USA as well because you kind of hadn't seen anything. And I haven't seen it online. So I checked online as soon as I got it that day and I didn't see it there. So I'm assuming it's fairly new. She did say that she had just gotten in 2 that same day. So hopefully they'll be coming in stock more, but it is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to obviously style everything together. Now, I do want to say this is in hunter leather, which originally I thought it was in box. So I asked my SA and she's like, no, it's actually hunter. It's very similar to box, but it is a little bit more matte in the way that the color shines through. Obviously, Picotin is in Clemence leather. It is a grains leather and I just love it. As I said, I had mentioned the Picotin in the palladium hardware. So when the belt came out in the palladium hardware, I was like, oh my God, it's perfect. However, I am honestly not picky at all about mixing metals. Now, with that being said, there was one last piece that I was waiting for and hoping would be released because these I know that I am going to get so much wear out of. And last but not least, again, already revealed out of the box because I did a short form video in order to share with you guys. Ta-da! They are the Santorinis in Rouge H, and I am so happy that they have released them in this color. I picked up the Legends in Rouge H, you guys know, because I made a whole video in regards to that. But I was able to find them in Dubai this year when we traveled abroad. I'm sorry. I literally had to stop myself for touching my hair. But when I have it here parted to one side, I just feel like it kind of starts getting in my face. So again, sorry about the hair touching. But yes, I picked up the Legends. I absolutely love those Legends. Personally, for me, I like a good slide shoe. I feel like it's very comfortable. It's very easy to dress up or down. and I think it's very good for my casual style. However, the ankle tie of the Legend and the Santorinis, I just feel like adds that little extra oomph to these shoes, and I love it. So I love wearing my Legends, and I really was hoping that they would bring out these Santorinis in Rouge H. I know they have the Oasis, and I know they also have the Orans. The Oasis, I thought I would be really doubling since they do also have a little bit of a heel, and I already have the Legends that have a heel. And then you guys know how I feel about the Orans. Unfortunately, I just hate how they look on my feet, so I've never added any whatsoever. And once I tried on these Santorinis, I realized, one, how comfortable they are, and two, how well they go with my style. So it all worked out so well. I was so excited, honestly, with my Santorinis and my Kelly belt. I was like, okay, I'm having my little Rouge H family building. And then I low-key was like, the Picotin, you know, will come when it's time it's due. And last week, I'm actually working from home. Super busy week. But anyways, I'm there on the computer. Guess who calls? My SA calls. You know when you guys get that call? Like, I picked up the phone and I was like, hello? And she just started laughing, one. And then second, I told her, I don't think you guys will ever understand the effect that you have on us when you guys call us. And she was just like, I'm just calling because I know that we were back and forth on the hardware of your Picotin. What is it that you want finally? Are you open to gold? I'm like, honestly, I love the palladium, but yes, I'm open to gold because again, I'm not picky about the mix matching the metals. And from what I had been talking to her about, it's been a little difficult to see it come through in the palladium. So again, I was not whatsoever concerned about the hardware. I just wanted it to be in Rouge H, obviously. So she was like, okay, we actually talked a little bit, and she's like, okay, I'm finishing with a client, you know, I'll call you back. Never called me back. Didn't think much of it, honestly, because she got the answer to what she originally called me for. And I know that the holiday season is crazy in the boutique. So I was like, okay, well, thankfully she's working on it. Now she knows what I want. So hopefully it'll come, you know, in the new year. Little did I know that Santa went the next day, because she then called my husband and told him, you need to come because I have May's Picotin here waiting for her. And he told her, okay, I'll be there first thing tomorrow morning. And that's exactly what he did. It was so funny. He says that he walked into the boutique, he saw her, she's like, do you want me to show you the bag? He's like, no, I trust you, just pack it up and go because I have to go to a meeting. And I was like, oh my God, you didn't even look at the bag? He's like, no, I don't have time for that. But I'm so glad that they made it all work out. Again, I'm so excited to just kind of like style everything together. I did let you guys know that we are heading to Canada for New Year's, and I really want to take her as my day bag. I honestly don't mind, you know, having like just a top handle bag to walk around. And I think it'll go good with the color palette that I have in mind that I wanted to take, because it is kind of like that cognac brown sort of shade. So I have to plan on my looks. I have to start packing. But you guys might see a couple of clips if I do end up taking her, of me styling her in Canada. It doesn't seem like it's gonna snow, so I feel like it's a good option to take, but I would definitely anyways take just another option in case obviously snow does fall. But yeah, that was my very exciting, very surprising, very Rouge H Hermes Christmas haul, reveal, unboxing. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Do you own anything in Rouge H? Do you love the color? Because I know that some people just don't like red in general, and that's totally okay. I am so excited with my little Rouge H collection, and I cannot wait to add a few more pieces. As always, you guys, I appreciate every single one of you for being here, for just kind of hanging out with me. This community means the world to me. I just love being able to talk about all these crazy little things that make us so happy, and share these moments with you guys as well. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas. Let me know what you did for Christmas. I would love to chat with you all in the comment section down below. Again, happy holidays. Have a wonderful New Year's, and I wish you all so much success, so much happiness, and most importantly, wealth for the upcoming 2026 year. Thank you again for hanging out with me, and as always, I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye, everyone.